Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy crispy chicken wings. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So I'm starting off with 12 wings that have not been separated yet. I've just cleaned and washed them, and then the next step will then be for me to cut them. So we're going to be cutting them where the bones join, and then we're going to cut it into 3 pieces. So once it's cut, those little pieces you can keep for if you're making chicken stock, and then the rest of them we're going to be using for our wing recipe. Okay, so we're just going to prepare our wings. We're just going to first start off by seasoning them solely with salt. So I'm just going to add a lot of salt because we are going to be adding some milk on top of this, so you do want to make sure that your wings have enough salt on them. So you're going to add enough milk to cover your chicken wings, and then we're going to give that a mix just to make sure that all the chicken wings get the same amount of salt and milk covering them. Then we're going to place that aside for about an hour. So while that is marinating, we're going to go ahead and prepare the coating, and I'm using Doritos chips, and I strongly recommend that you try the blue packet and the green packet combined. If you can't find any of them, try any corn chips, but preferably something with chili in it. So basically I'm just going to add half of that into the bowl, and then I'm going to crush them. So I'm only using half at a time because I don't want to waste anything. So I'll crush the first half, and then if I need more I'll repeat the process. And this is how fine we want our Doritos to be. Now when it comes to seasoning of the Doritos, I'm using Portuguese chicken seasoning, which will give me a mild spicy taste. But if you want something that has more heat, I strongly recommend that you add some chili powder as well. So for the assembly, we've got our eggs, our flour, our Doritos, and then we're going to preheat our oven at 190 degrees while we prepare chicken. So the preparation is very easy. You're just going to take your chicken out of the milk, and then you're going to roll it in your flour, and then after that you'll then go ahead and dip it into your eggs, and then make sure that it is evenly covered with the egg mixture before you will proceed and add it into. So if you're following my recipe directly, the amount of Doritos that we've put in the bowl will cover between 8 and 10 wings. So once your Doritos have finished off, you can then repeat the process of crushing them and then continue to stack them onto your baking tin. Please make sure that you're baking them on the rack and not directly on the tray. This will just allow your wings to cook evenly on the top and the bottom. So this is what they're looking like on the pan, and then we're going to go ahead and place them on the middle or the center part of our oven. We don't want to put it too high or too low, it just needs to be in the middle. Okay, so we're going to let that cook away for a total of 30 minutes, and then we're going to increase our heat in the oven to about 220 degrees Celsius. So after 30 minutes, you can pop your wings out of the oven, and this is what they're going to be looking like. They're good to go. They are ready to serve. I'd recommend that you allow them to cool down a little bit, just so that when you remove them from the rack, you don't separate the coating and the chicken at the bottom, because it will be a little bit stuck on there. But that's basically it. It's quick, it's easy, it's crispy, it's delicious. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Let me know what other chicken wing recipe you'd like me to try next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.